I am Dr. Camden Clay, chiropractor, teaching quick self-fixes and targeted muscle testing at the Atlanta School of Massage, September 2018. This is Troy. I'm teaching Troy how to straighten his own scoliosis using a scoliosis resolution technique. So lean forward, Troy. Come here with the camera. His curvature starts at L1, goes to L5 with an apex around L3. I dig in deep and the curvature is right there. And so, Sue, come here and confirm this. Just dig in super deep and come on down kind of fast. Actually,
wow.
you missed it. It's gonna go like that.
Okay, and that makes sense because I felt more muscle over there. Okay.
Feel that?
Yeah.
Thank you. And then get her face. That's Sue. Okay, now stand up straight. What you're gonna do is pull the apex, making it worse with this strap. You're gonna anchor to your belly here.
Right on the process? Or?
The knot is on the concave side of the apex of the curve. You're gonna hold this to your belly right there. You're gonna pull this one that way, nice and firm. You're gonna lean to this, no, you're gonna lean to me a little bit. And now you're gonna push your pelvis the other way and keep pulling. Touch him and feel this. Come here, one of you or two could come here and feel this. As he pulls, his entire connective tissue system contracts and tightens to fight against having the apex pulled the wrong way. Let it win though. If you pull too hard, it does not win. Maintain your touch, which you're gonna feel, it just stopped. It just let go. It just, my fingertips sunk in and it just started back. Did you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let it win. Come a little bit out to the side, that's good. And keep pulling. It goes back and forth, and then when it stops and stops, it's done. When this curvature is clear, if Troy does this daily, it is not going to come back. And it just stopped again. My finger sunk in. Did you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
It's good. And it just started back again.
You can see the knot move when it tenses.
You guys have good visual skills. Let it win, Troy. It's got to win. And it just stopped again. Fingertips all sunk in. Just started back again. That's good. Just stopped again. It might be done. And now stand up for me, Troy. And let me take that knot. So here, lean forward for me and start up about one finger in there and push down in the left lamina groove. And that is now perfectly straight.
Wow.
He straightened it out.
Wow.
Push straight in there. I'm coming straight down.
Wow.
That curvature is now gone. Sue, come back here
Yes.
Wow.
and check it. Dig in super deep.
Oh my goodness, I already.
It looks different.
Feel that?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
gone.
I
Come here.
feel it.
Wow.
Come here.
See from here.
You see it? Touch it anyway. Dig in super deep, just like that, and just come on down. Feel that? That is gone. And now come up, please, Troy. And face the other way. And just turn and lean and see if the back feels any different to you.
Oh, yeah.
You can tell that?
Oh, absolutely.
So,
Great. Rotate my hips. I can't do this normally.
Yeah, go dance.
I can hula hoop. Awesome.
This
Thank you,
is,
sir.
Yes, sir. This is my Scoliosis Resolution book and video at quickselffixes.com, and it's for free. It is a donation site. The beauty of this technique is you can fix it yourself. It works regularly, almost every time, for a moderate to a mild scoliosis. Have fun with it and text me or email me the fabulous results that you're having, and please share with your friends. Thank you.
Thank you.